Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other day I was trying to help somebody do this, but this is not a font. You can see it's a group of 11 objects. Well, I found the font, and I kind of found it a roundabout way. Corel Draw used to have what's the font right here. In 2017, I know, or X17, or X7 really, which makes it 17. They took it away, and I don't know if they moved it or I just can't find it. Anyway, I went to What's the Font by My Fonts, came up to this, and I took a picture of that with my uh, image. You know, you can do it with a couple of different ways. And I uploaded the font. I just took a picture and I called it font. And I uploaded it, and it came up with that. I'm going to stretch the box out a little bit to make it take the whole word. And then identify the font. Now, there it is right there. It's identical. Now, it's $12 to get this font. But if you go out a roundabout way, and I was just going to check to see if it was on DA fonts. So I made a copy of what the font is, and I went to DA fonts. Let me back up here. And right here, I just cut and paste, or I pasted that strip, that font, said search. And then all I did was download it. It's free. You can donate to the author if you want to, and I have several times. But then when you bring it in, you just type out that wordage. Now, I've already changed it a little bit. I noticed when it came through, let's just do it. I made a capital. I was going to say just a font. And then I'm going to go to that font I downloaded into Corel. And you can see it. There it is right there. Now, the only thing I noticed is the M might have looked a little bigger. Let me make it about the right size. The M maybe looks a little bit bigger. I wouldn't worry with it. But you can, like this font is, well, that's not the font. This font is 100 points. So you could take your shape tool, grab that right there and see it's 106. Let's make it 100. And it made just that one letter a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. Now to put it in our path, I've changed his nudge. He's in millimeters, but I changed this to 0, 0. So when we make a duplicate, it'll come right back. Now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to go left click, right click to have no fill. I'm going to go to object, group, ungroup all, but these are still a curve. So I'm going to go up to object and break the curve apart. Then I can grab the inside when I move it back. So this is our font. And I don't know how far he wants it off or he wants it inside. I never did find that out. But then just grab your font, go to text, text the path. And when you get that red line, it means it's in the center. Now it's going to be a little bit tall or too close to the line, but we can change that. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go to object and break the text apart. And then I can take just my text and nudge it over to my original logo. And you can see they might want that, but you can always just start moving and hold down the control button and it'll be off there. And you can put it wherever you want because it's going to be the same arch. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.